What's up guys? So today is the day after almost a year ago going to unbox the compressor. Did I record short? I don't remember. So almost a year ago. So I'm going to put it on the old garage, not the newer one. There's a noise. This one's oil free, but a little bit noise. There's a noise. So I don't want to put on the new garage. If I want to record YouTube, there'll be noise. So I want to put it on the old one. Going to put it on the back side. We have power on the garage. If you need to see, check it out that one. There's more videos on the new garage. So this one old garage. Hopefully going to do this one paint boots in the future. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty guys, look like this. It is 80. That's big. So we're here, down here. Look like this. It is oil free. There it is. This one over here. So I have to buy the accessories. Looks good. So far so good. We'll see. I have to plug it in. I need new cable. I need to bring the cable from the new garage from here. So I'm going to put it down here. Let me show it to you. Down here on the corner, and we're just cleaning this one over here. And then we have to pull new wire from the new to the old one. So I'll be back after this. Alright guys, we just dig for the power line. Goes all the way down there. And I'm going to put it there and there, and I'm going to fit it right now. So going like this and over there. You have to just leave it down there. Especially down here, you have to dig a little bit more because no cord down here. And then I'm going to finish it today. There's junk over there. Going to throw it away. Today over here, and then I'm going to go a little bit down here, and I'm going to bend it down here, and then put it over there. So let me fix it down here. Let me dig some stuff over here. Alright guys, moment of truth. So when I spin it over here, it might turn on. It is on. Alright guys, all done. It's done. But we're going to do some switch over here or here. Yes, better over here. I was planning to put it over there, but we need to do new wire. So going to put some switch down here. This one doesn't work. And there's something leaking over here. What's leaking? Oh, it's leaking over here. So we need to. This knob over here is leaking. I don't know where it's leaking, but something's leaking over here. When you open it over here, halfway, over it's leaking. This one's so sensitive, but something's leaking over here too. When you open it, oh yeah, it's over here it's leaking something. So I have to check it out. Why? When it closes, you're going to stop. So this knob I have to replace it, I guess. So we'll find out that part. So we're going to put some switch down here. For this one, doesn't work somehow. We did turn off the breaker, so look like this on the back side, like goes giant box and goes here. Going to bolt it over there. We did mount it on the down here, one and two on the back. We did buy three, but we cannot find it. But we did drill that one. So I'm going to replace this one. I'm going to do pipes. For now, it's like this hose goes outside. I'm going to show you to you. Let me go outside and show it to you what it did. So the pipes goes over there, but you're going to replace it, going to dig and then don't go like that. So it goes like that, goes all the way over there. When we need it, going to put it, but you're going to dig and put it inside. And then we show you to, we just dig like this. It's not going straight. So we did go like this. It's not correct, it's not perfect, but we did looks nice. Something like this goes like we didn't could to make it close with the ground, but yeah, it works either way. It goes like this. We did make it bigger the pipe because of when if we going to do tire machine, going to add two wires. We're not going to use one. We have ground, so it doesn't matter that much. So we did dig like this, goes all the way there. We could go straight, but we didn't go because of over there. There is a oil tank down there. Kind of move down, was too heavy. Let me show it to you over there. So we came all the way here like this, and then we did 90-degree down here, and then it goes over there, and then we did go inside like that. Alrighty, inside is like this. So there's a box down there. Let me make it zoom over there, and then it goes all the way across over there. There's a 90-degree. I didn't bend that one. I just bought a 90-degree. Goes over there and goes here. But to going to fix over here it is a mess. After I finish everything, every wire is going to do over here. I did left a little bit, but I'm going to arrange everything. Hopefully, when I'm going to do compressor, after the compressor, what we have over here, AC. For the AC, going to add one breaker over here and going to reroute. Going to have shelf over there, so I'm going to put on the shelf. So only that one left, I believe, and some lights outside. I think I have a breaker for that. Lights. Going to use lights, and that's it. Alright guys, all done for now. This video is very short. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. So I'm going to replace this pipe over here, and I told you this knob over here, there's a little leak. Going to do that. It is holding, it's good, but when you open this over here, there's a little leak, so I'm going to replace that one. It's good quality. There's a little bit noise. If I put on the other garage, there will be noise, so I don't want to do that because of when I work. If I record a YouTube channel, there will be noise, so I can't record when there's compressor noise. So I put it in this garage. I don't work on this garage that much. This one's my old one. The new one, In the future, we're going to do some tire machine, the pipes in Dove, maybe 25 or 26. Going to do that. I'm looking for a good quality one. If you know someone, drop the comment down below, website or email me. What else left? And then over here, going to do some breaker. This one doesn't work because of I put this over here. If I take it off, it works, but I'm going to do the breaker. It doesn't work. Off the breaker on the other side. I don't want to make this video long. Stay tuned for other videos. The garage, I don't know, maybe end of 25 or 26, going to finish it for sure. For sure, I'm going to finish in the 26, but I don't know if I'm going to finish this year. But hopefully, we don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure either. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Until next time.